Uni the Unicorn, Reindeer Helper, written by Christy Webster, illustrated by Brigette Barrager. It was a sparkly winter afternoon. Uni and the little girl were playing in the snow. Uni, guess what? Santa is coming tonight. 8 wonderful reindeer help Santa deliver presents around the world. Santa's reindeer are magic, just like unicorns. And like little girls, you'd better get to bed early tonight. You'll hear the clip-clop of little hooves on the rooftop before you know it. Uni was about to journey back to the land of the unicorns when clip-clop. Uni couldn't believe it. It was a reindeer. "Oh, hello. I think you're a little early." "I'm not early. I'm lost. I'm supposed to help pull Santa's sleigh tonight, but I got left behind. I'll never catch up with the other reindeer all by myself." The little reindeer looked so sad. Uni wanted to help. "If we believe we can find them, we will." Together, Uni and the reindeer used their magic to hurry as fast as they could. "Santa's already been here. See, the milk is gone. Look, we're catching up." Is Santa's sleigh always so droopy? Uni was right. The sleigh was so off balance it was nearly tipping over. As it launched onto the starry sky, a shiny present slipped and fell out. Oh no! We can't leave any presents behind or disappoint the children. We better move fast. Uni and the reindeer raced together the lost presents and put them where they belonged, each under a different Christmas tree. Had Uni and the lost reindeer finally caught up to Santa's sleigh? "Santa, is it really you?" "You made it. We missed you. It's all thanks to Uni." "Uni, it seems you've already helped us in many ways tonight, but I have one more favor to ask. Would you help us deliver one last present? You are a great helper, Uni." Thanks for listening. Merry Christmas. Please like and subscribe for more daily stories.